Hi there, I'm Nick Webber with Archer, and here for today's On Target, we're going to talk about exercises, specifically the frequency of exercises. To flip it on you a little bit, I'm going to start off with a question. Do you think exercising response plans once a year is enough? Time's up. The answer is no, absolutely not. When you look at these, if you're only exercising them once a year, when it's time for an actual incident response, you're going to be woefully unprepared and your team is going to flounder. It will not go well for anybody, other than maybe an attacker. I look at this the same way I look at a sports team or a military unit getting ready to do an operation. For those who don't know, I coach my son's youth football team. I'm one of the offensive line coaches. I can guarantee you we practice more than once a year. We practice at least once a day. When I was in the military and we did operations, we would rehearse nonstop. We would look at battle drills. How do we break our regular things down into things we can repeat over and over again and get a consistent outcome? That's your goal with all of these, is something that's a repeatable process with a consistent positive outcome. To do that, yeah, you have your exercises once a year, but you need to look at those as your capstones. That's where you put it all together and you prove to yourself, your team, your stakeholders that you've got it all down. But in between those, you have absolutely got to be working on training, your drills, peeling things back apart, doing some of the build up to it with small group exercises, tabletops, all of those things. Exercise, just like a physical workout or anything else, it's got to be consistent. It's got to be done regularly. And that is On Target with Archer.
Stay up to date on all the videos we release here at Archer by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the bell to be notified right away when we release new videos. Secure your company with Archer today. Visit us at archerint.com. Also, leave a comment below if there's a topic or question you'd like to see us cover.